Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a floating info tooltip using custom shapes in Photoshop. I begin by opening Photoshop and creating a small canvas. Then I draw a rounded rectangle shape as the tooltip base. Now I add a small triangle shape pointing downward. After that I combine them visually to form a tooltip. Next I insert short informational text inside. Now I add an icon shape on the left side. Then I apply light background color for readability. After that I add a soft shadow below. Now the tooltip feels floating. Then I zoom out to test clarity. After that I refine padding. Now text feels comfortable. Finally I adjust colors for contrast. This tooltip now feels UI ready.